is day 1 of my Chia Pet.
Chia Pet?
Chia Pet, oh.
Oh, anong name niya? Anong name niya?
Gert and Robert.
Ano?
Gert and Robert.
Gert and Robert.
Yeah. Even though they have
So,
different colors.
what are you going to do with that Chia Pet?
To water them.
You water them every day?
Yeah.
Then, where you going to put that one?
Below the TV table. The TV table.
TV table?
Yeah.
There's
Kasi meron sun dyan.
There's no sun in
There
there.
is sun.
Okay.
Sa morning.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't put dun
Too
sa
much.
dun sa may aso, baka makuha.
Yeah. Sa indoors, but meron sun lang. Okay.
Oh, yes, the day 1.
Gert, Robert.
Kurt and
Robert.
Robert. Okay. This is the day 1 of Kurt and Robert.
Gert
With
is
the-
ka-
with the-
Gert, Daddy Gert.
Kurt and Robert with a baldy head. Whoop.
Gert is flat right now.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.